children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Children, now we will read the perfect continuous tense. Now let's learn. The perfect continuous tense refers to an action that is started at some point of time in the past and is still going on at the time of speaking. It means that the action is not still complete. The most visible feature of this tense is that it uses the words since and for to show the point and period of time of the action. जो परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस है वो क्या शो करता है कि आपका जो काम है किसी सर्टेन टाइम पीरियड में पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम में स्टार्ट हुआ है और अभी भी जो है वो चल रहा है, वो काम आपका फिनिश नहीं हुआ है. इसका मतलब क्या है कि आपका जो एक्शन है वो अभी भी रनिंग है. जो इसका मोस्ट विजिबल फीचर है वो क्या है, उसमें हम सिंस और फॉर का यूज़ करते हैं पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम और पीरियड ऑफ टाइम को शो करने के लिए. द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. This tense is used, number 1, to express an action which began in the past but is still going on. For example, she has been reading a book since morning. Morning में शुरू हो गया था, start कब हुआ है, पहले ही हो चुका है, लेकिन अभी भी वो चल रहा है. I have been suffering from fever for 2 days. Number 2, to express an action which began in the past and has been just completed, but whose result is still in the present. काम शुरू हुआ है पास्ट में, अभी अभी कंप्लीट हुआ है, लेकिन रिजल्ट कब मिलेगा आपको, उसका प्रेजेंट में मिलेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, his clothes are dirty because he has been playing in the dust. I have been cleaning my room since morning, so I am tired now. Next, to express an action in a sentence which begin with for how long or since when. For example, since when have you been waiting for me? For how long has she been cleaning the room? Now sentence structure, affirmative sentences, subject plus has have plus been plus verb plus ing plus rest of the predicate. It has been raining since morning. We have been playing cricket for 2 hours. The baby has been sleeping for 1 hour. Now, negative sentences. Subject plus has have plus not been plus verb plus ing plus rest of the predicate. We have not been working since morning. She has not been cooking since 12 o'clock. It has not been raining for 2 hours. Now next is interrogative sentences. Has have plus subject plus been plus verb plus ing plus rest of the predicate. WH word plus has have plus subject plus been plus verb plus ing plus rest of the predicate question mark. Have you been studying since morning? Question mark. Has he been playing for 2 hours? Question mark. Have they been working in the field since 10 o'clock? Question mark. Where has she been working since last year? Question mark. This is your exercise. You have to practice it. Now the next is the past perfect continuous tense. This tense is used to describe an action that was going on in the past for a period or point of time. For example, I had been mowing the lawn since morning. So I was tired. Past perfect continuous tense. Past time में जो है किसी certain period of time और point of time में आपका काम चल रहा था. Next, to express the duration of an action up to a certain time in the past. For example, the telephone had been ringing for 2 minutes before it was answered. Before the accident occurred, the train had been running at a high speed. Next, in reported speech, she asked me what I had been doing since I came to that place. He told me that he had been learning to dance. Now sentence structure, affirmative sentences, subject plus had been plus verb plus ing plus rest of the predicate. The gardener had been watering the plants since morning. I had been playing cricket since my childhood. She had been suffering from fever for 2 days. Certain time period से वो काम अभी भी हो रहा था. Now note, the perfect continuous tense mostly have the use of since and for to express the duration of time. जो टाइम का ड्यूरेशन एक्सप्रेस करना है उसके लिए सिंस और फॉर का यूज़ किया जाता है. वी यूज सिंस वेयर द टाइम इज सर्टेन और से फॉर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. अगर सर्टेन टाइम पीरियड है, पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम है, तो हम सिंस का यूज़ करेंगे. एज इट हैज़ बीन रेनिंग सिंस लास्ट नाइट सिंस 5 o'clock. वी यूज़ फॉर when the time is not certain or say duration of time. As it has been raining for 2 hours. अगर time period certain नहीं है, आपको पता नहीं है, तो for का use करेंगे. This is called period of time. The form of the sentence in past perfect continuous tense had been plus verb plus ing never changes with the number and person of the subject. Number और जो subject है, चाहे सिंगुलर है या प्लूरल है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग ये चेंज नहीं होगा. नाउ नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. इन नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड नॉट बीन प्लस वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी प्लस रेस्ट ऑफ द प्रेडिकेट. द गार्डनर हैड नॉट बीन वाटरिंग द प्लांट्स सिंस मॉर्निंग. ही हैड नॉट बीन प्लेइंग क्रिकेट फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. शी हैड नॉट बीन सफरिंग फ्रॉम फीवर सिंस लास्ट नाइट. Next is interrogative sentences. Had plus subject plus been plus verb plus ing plus rest of the predicate question mark. WH word plus had plus subject plus been plus verb plus ing plus rest of the predicate. Had the gardener been watering the plants since morning? Had the duck been searching for food in the field for some time? Had he been playing cricket since his childhood? Why had you been talking to her for such a long time? Now this is your exercise, you have to practice it. The next is the future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action that will be in progress over a period of time and that will end in future. For example, I will have been writing for half an hour till this serial ends. She will have been learning French for 2 years by the end of this year. He will have been learning music for 4 years by October this year. Now the future perfect continuous tense क्या describe करता है कि past time में जो future perfect continuous tense है वो आपको ये describe करेगा कि जो आपका action है वो शुरू हो गया है पहले और अभी भी वो काम आपका फ्यूचर में चल रहा है. नाउ सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर. अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल शैल प्लस हैव बीन प्लस वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी प्लस रेस्ट ऑफ द प्रेडिकेट. सेंटेंस दे विल हैव बीन फिशिंग इन द पॉन्ड सिंस मॉर्निंग. चिल्ड्रन विल हैव बीन फ्लाइंग काइट्स फॉर लॉन्ग. शी विल हैव बीन लर्निंग म्यूजिक फॉर 5 years. Now note, this tense is no longer in use nowadays. Now sentence structure, affirmative sentences, subject plus will, shall, have been plus verb plus ing plus rest of the predicate. They will have been fishing in the pond since morning. Children will have been flying kites for long. She will have been learning music for 5 years. Now negative sentences. Subject plus will not have been plus verb plus ing plus rest of the predicate. The children will not have been flying kites since morning. They will not have been playing cricket for 2 hours. He will not have been laughing for some times. Next is interrogative sentences. Shall will plus subject plus have been plus verb plus ing plus rest of the predicate. Question mark. Will the children have been flying kites for long? Will you have been dancing since noon? Will she have been learning music for 2 years? I hope it is clear to you now. This is your exercise. You have to practice it.